vitamins and organic life forms everywhere. Hold your forks up with solidarity. Remember, you vote with your wallet. Your dollar bill's your ballot. Alone it's just a whisper, but together you can't stop it. OMG, it's the GMOs from the labs and the tubes where the fast foods grow. If you are what you eat, then I'm a UFO. Hope to God that my body still can decompose, cause I'm biodegradable. And you're biodegradable. Gotta stay biodegradable. But you find that the mind is highly persuaded. Doesn't matter if you came through the canal or you're cesarean. If you're an omnivore or maybe more a vegetarian, you choose to eat an animal, a vegetable, a mineral. Eat what you are, it's never been more literal. Come chemical, come dumbing down the food chain. Come dumb us down, new superpower secret. Come Monsanto, come with your new campaign. All the politicians sing along with the refrain. No more junk in my food. 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 We want it slow, not fast, like they grew in the past. With green dream coming, growing up in the youth. Please, no more junk in my food. Or the more organic, not the biomechanic. Then McDonald's got a farm, GMO. And on that farm he had a chicken and a cow. But what they do now you really don't wanna know. Why must we label it organic when that's the way we've been growing it for 10,000 years? I think the farm factory should label honesty to admit to what they have genetically and chemically. Is there a bioengineer in the house? Is there a bioengineer? I need some help with this label. How do you say this? Calcium polyphosphates. Is this nutritional claim a fairy tale or a fable? Come chemical, come dumbing down the food chain. Come dumb us down, new superpower secret. Come Monsanto, come with your new campaign. All the politicians sing along with the refrain. No more junk in my food. 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 We want it slow, not fast, like they grew in the past. With green dream coming, growing up in the youth. Please, no more junk in my food. Or the more organic, not the biomechanic. Then Monsanto owned the farms, GMO. And on that farm he had a plant that won't produce the seed, monopolize everything that grows. They're trying to say the corporate way is efficient and worthwhile, but the average meal that you eat's traveled 1,200 miles.